Yeah, you are.
That's the difference between the Galway United or
Well, because visiting is that this is such a happy school. It's a great pleasure to us to have been asked to University St. Patrick's National School, and I want to wish the Board of Management and the parents and the children and the teachers every success. And you're approaching it the right way, having all these children sitting in the lotus position voluntarily. I have one special point I say. Never ever allow anyone to be excluded in your group, and never ever allow the new technology to be used to bully somebody or to make somebody who's already perhaps marginal even more marginalized. My time, we still have to learn the lessons of it. We have to be careful about how we use our words. Equally in your generation, people have to be careful about how the technology is used. So it should be used as a piece of excitement and wonderment, and to enjoy it, but never negatively. So may I wish you health and happiness. Gwyn bro proud as Banachtaré, agus shifshe with usad or something, technological newish. I so wish you all very, very well, and as you enjoy these new instruments and knowledge. And I want to say thank you to the fine welcome on Firkin Forja Darish Rowan, the fine welcome that you gave Sabine and I and those with me, and also to the board of management and the teachers and the staff and those from Camara. The point about it is you're creating hope. You're making, in fact, the hopeful future happen through all of your work, and I so appreciate what you've achieved in the lovely atmosphere in this room here. I pay tribute to teachers, staff and everyone who makes that possible, of going to school in a day where you will be using our new computer to do new things, and teachers helping us and so forth. Thank you very much.